Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn one more digraph. As you know, digraph means two letters make one sound. Okay? Before that, I am going to do the actions for the digraphs we have already learned, and you have to identify that digraph. Okay? So now let's start. Which digraph is this? Yes, correct. Digraph CH, and the sound is ch. CH, ch. Very good. Now next. Which digraph? SH. Very good. And the sound is sh. Sh. Very good. Now next. Which digraph? TH. Very good. And there are two sounds for TH, voiced and unvoiced. Th, d, th, d. Very good. Now we'll revise it once again. Now here, as you can see, there are two letters C and H, and all together they are going to make one sound, and that is ch. Very good. This digraph is CH and sound is ch. Very good. Now here, as you can see, there are two letters S and H, and together they are going to make sound, that is sh. Okay? And today we are going to learn new digraph WH. Here, can you see two letters are there? W and H. Here, W and H is going to make one sound, and that is W. Yes, because here in the digraph WH, letter H is going to keep silent. He is very shy. He is very shy. He is not going to say anything. Okay? So, in digraph WH, only letter W say the sound, and that is W. Okay? So now, let's watch one video. What is the story behind WH digraph? Okay?
Digraph WH. WH only uses the W sound. It is very important, especially for questions. When, where, why, what, which, wheel, whale, wheat, white, whistle, whisper.
So, in the video also they have shown that WH makes one sound, and that is W sound, because H is silent. Yes, and they have shown some examples also. We are going to see that examples in our page also. For that, you have to open page number 62, English course book, page number 62. And one more thing which is very important, that WH is especially important for the questions. Yes, now let's see page number 62. Digraph WH. WH only uses the W sound, that is W sound. It is very important, especially for questions. As I told you, digraph WH makes one sound, and that is W, because H is shy and he is silent. And it is mostly important for the questions. So we'll read the words. When, where, why, what, which. We'll repeat again. When, where, why, what, and which. Now here, as you can see, there are some pictures and we have to read the name of that picture. The first picture is of wheel. Wheel. Well. Well. This is wheat. Wheat. White. White. Whistle. Whistle. Whisper. Whisper. We'll repeat once again. All the pictures are starting with the digraph WH. Will, well, wheat, white, whistle and whisper. So in this way you have to read the words which given on page number 62. Children, here you have to remember word who is exception for the digraph WH. Though the word start with WH, it does not follow the sound of digraph WH, that is W. When we say word who, we hear a H sound. So this is an exception to the digraph WH. This is our next page, page number 63. Read the WH sentences. What we have to do, they have given some sentences on page number 63. We have to read that questions or sentences. So now we'll start with the first sentence. Where is the white shirt? We'll repeat again. Where is the white shirt? Can you see here picture of white shirt? Yes, so our sentence is where is the white shirt? Number 2. Why is she sobbing? We'll read it again. Why is she sobbing? Can you see one small girl here? She is crying. That means she is sobbing. Okay, now we'll read our third sentence. Number 3. When do you go to school? We'll repeat. When do you go to school? Can you see one boy here who is having bag and wearing uniform? So he is going to the school. Number 4. What is bread made of? We'll repeat. What is bread made of? Can you see picture of bread here? Yes. And here wheat. We'll repeat again. What is bread made of? Wheat. Now we'll read number 5. My car has 4 wheels. See here, picture of car is there. My car has 4 wheels. Now we'll repeat all the 5 sentences once again. Where is the white shirt? Why is she sobbing? Number 3. When do you go to school? Number 4. What is bread made of? Wheat. Number 5. My car has 4 wheels. So in this way, you have to read the sentences which starts with the WH sound. Today we have to do one more page from our application book A, page number 59. This is our application book A, page number 59. Circle the pictures with WH sound in their names. What we have to do? We have to circle the pictures with W sound. Digraph WH sound is W. So here we have to circle the pictures which gives us W sound. So here we'll start with the first picture. First picture is of a wheel. Very good. Can you hear W sound here? Yes. So here we have to circle this picture, wheel. Very good. Second picture is of chips. Chips. Can you hear W sound here? No, WH sound is not there. So we will not circle this picture. But can you tell me which digraph sound is there? Chips. Yes, very good. CH digraph sound is there. Chips. Very good. Next is whistle. Whistle. Can you hear sound here? Yes, we can hear WH sound. So here we have to circle this picture. Very good. Next picture is of thumb. Thumb. Is this picture related to WH sound? No. So we will not circle this picture. But can you tell me which sound you hear here? TH sound. Thumb. Very good. Now the next picture is of whale. Whale. Can you hear what sound here? WH sound? Yes. So here we have to circle. Very good. Now the next picture is of wheat. Wheat. Can you hear W sound? Yes. So here we have to circle. Now the next picture is of bench. Bench. So is this picture related to WH sound? No. This picture is related to CH sound. Sound. Very good. So we will not circle this picture. So in this way you have to complete your page number 59 from English application book. So children, remember, in the digraph WH, only W is say his sound, and as H is very shy, he remains silent, and WH is especially important for questions. And there is one exception, and that is word who. Okay, so today you have to complete your 3 pages. 2 pages from your English course book, page number 62 and 63, and from English application book, page number 59. Bye.